Hi, I'm Eric Cox, the CEO of Plain White T-Shirt Marketing. We love to do videos for clients as they are so effective in getting attention and telling your company's story. One of the most effective ways to use video to promote your business is to make a how-to or explainer video. Look, we watch TV too, and for the most part, your customers are not going to watch a long sales pitch. They might sit through a 30-second pitch if you make it interesting and entertaining enough. But if you want to keep them engaged for a longer period of time, you're going to have to offer them something relevant and useful. Information is a valuable commodity online, and a well-produced how-to video can sell your product or business more effectively than a traditional commercial. And it doesn't really have to sell. There are several different things you can do for a how-to video. For example, you can demonstrate a product, show different ways to use a product, give customers a behind-the-scenes look at how you make a product. Any one of these can make for an entertaining and informative video. With that in mind, here are some tips to help you make a how-to video that your customers are going to love. Research the competition. Do some YouTube searches to see what other how-to videos are out there and try to find a unique way to present your information. Break down what you want to demonstrate into steps. Even if your demonstration is going to be largely visual, you still need to write down step-by-step instructions to make sure you're not missing anything. Once you've written down the steps, have someone who is not familiar with what you are explaining read it over. You are probably very familiar with your subject, and when you are, it can be easy to skip over important steps or explanations because you take them for granted. Incorporate your reader's questions into your written explanation. Keep refining it until you have it exactly right. Think about the best way to visually demonstrate what you have written. Brainstorm some ways to make it interesting or entertaining. If you are demonstrating a product or even a service, focus less on its features and more on the benefits it will provide your customers. Remember, the emphasis of all online marketing should be on providing value to your customers, not talking about yourself. Write a script or hire someone to write it, incorporating your instructions and all the visual ways you will demonstrate them. Invest in good production. Having great video and sound quality will keep people watching. A poorly produced video may have the opposite effect from the one you intended. And good production doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be good. Optimize your video for search engines. Use a target keyword in the file name of your videos and in the meta description when you post it on video sharing sites. Write a transcript of the video to include on your page or video description box. Have a release plan for your video. Figure out where and when you are going to share it. For example, you might share it on your website, post it on YouTube, and share it to your social media. A well-produced how-to video will increase your authority status, educate your target market, and boost your bottom line as a result. If you want some additional free tips on economical video marketing and even to see if it might be right for you, we offer a free 45-minute video strategy session. We'll give you at least 3 tips or ways you could make video work for you, and the session won't be some thinly veiled pushy sales call. Call us at 813-200-8795 or go to www.themostleads.com. Thanks again.